Yo, my friend was the first one to crash. Now I'm about to prank the shit out of her because
Yeah,
we all made a bet.
That was the prank. Whoever go to see first gets pranked. You shouldn't have went to sleep. That was the... Are you okay? You shouldn't have went to sleep.
I did it though.
If you was asleep,
we
you
were
wasn't
calling
asleep,
you.
you would have knew that we was gonna prank you because we said it.
We were calling your name.
Oh well. Oh well.
Did it go in your nose?
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
Not really.
It was Moose.
Alright, deuces, y'all.